These ASMR mouth-eating videos going viral right now on YouTube. Take a look at this channel. It has gained more than 3 million subscribers, and all his videos are getting millions of views. And the best part today, you can be one of them. Because today in this video, I am going to explain how to make these type of videos using AI and completely free 100%. All you need to do is watch until the very end and don't skip anything. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, you need this master prompt. You will find its link in description. When you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, now we will wait and ChatGPT ask about our video. For example, I will type candy, type jelly, candy color gradient, glossy lips, and jelly stretch. And now ChatGPT will generate everything we need. It provides us an image prompt and a video prompt. Once you had all the prompts ready, copy the image prompt. Now come to Flow AI. Here choose Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt here and hit Generate. And look, our image is ready. Now let's turn it into video. Choose Create Video. And here, frames to video. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Hit Generate. And within seconds, our video is ready. Take a look. It looks exactly the kind of video we want. Save it. So that's the full method. So start creating today and grow your account. Thanks for watching, my friends. I really appreciate your time. We will meet soon in next video. Until then, create these videos and be creative. Bye-bye.